While driving along, I happen upon two rabbits romping in the road.
The rabbits can't decide which way they want to go. I think they're having a conversation about which way to go in the road. Then they just keep stopping in the middle of the road.
Completely oblivious, they're blocking traffic.
Over to the side. Oh. They're playing. Oh, it's so cute.
Bouncing about, carefree.
They keep running in the middle of the road, so you can't drive because you don't know if they're just going to jump in front of your car. Move it, little ones. There they go. Over to the side. I feel better if they went into a yard somewhere.
Finally finding a patch of lush green grass to frolic freely. Notice nature, naturally naked nature.